Yes, anyone? 6241. 6245. 1 minute. 6245. Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Permitted. 6245.
Sir, 6644, sir.
Double six, double 1 minute, amma. Double six, double four permitted.
Yes.
Girls same అవసరం లేదు. All are most intelligent student. Very good. Right. So what is the topic we discussed in last class? What is the topic? What is the thing we discussed in last class?
Sir, we were discussing a problem.
Problem dictate చేశానా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cycloid problem. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Take amma. So we will start with cycloid. What is the given data, amma? In cycloid problem, he given only diameter of a ball. How much it is given, amma? How much?
50 mm.
50 mm, sir.
50 mm, sir.
Finish. We know only one information, that is diameter of a ball. Here one thing remember. Whether I dictated cycloid definition, or cycloid definition, and then I dictated problem. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now listen carefully. So only one information. Okay. Whatever it may be information we have to proceed accordingly. So first I will take diameter. If diameter is given, always remember that circle should be drawn by radius only. Can you remember? Circle has to drawn by radius only. But don't get so many students will take 50 and they will draw. No, let's read it carefully whether given information in diameter or radius. If it is radius, well and good, take radius. If it is given in diameter, convert the diameter into radius, 25 mm. See, I will take 25. I measured 25 on my compass. Then I will draw a circle. This is circle. Okay, with a radius of 25. This is the first step you have to do. After this, draw horizontal line passing through origin. Draw horizontal line passing through origin. Draw perpendicular line passing through origin. What will happen, Amma, if you do like this? What will happen?
Is divided into 4 parts.
Divided into 4 parts. Circle first divided into 4 parts. Okay. Then once you divide, take protractor. I want to divide a circle. Whenever you see circle, first target is divide that into 12 equal parts. See, I taken protractor, center, baseline with center midpoint line, 30, 60, 90 already drawn, 120, 150. I marked points. See carefully, observe change. Next, join them with origin. Center point is called origin of the circle. Join. Then extend it. Again, join this. First, join that point with origin. Extend it. Because whenever we are dividing anything, obviously first it has to pass through the origin. Extend it. Means if you mark on one side, obviously we are able to divide that circle into 12 equal parts because it is a symmetrical object. So I marked it. Now it has to roll, which is the ball is a rolling object. Where it is rolling, Amma? Where it is rolling?
On a horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane. I will draw horizontal, mean perpendicular to this. I don't know how much it is rolling, where it is rolling. I will draw one big line. The point which touch the base, I will call it as P. Then I will name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and P is a 12 point. P is a 12 point. So I divided this circle into 12 parts. The bottom point, which is touching the ground, I taken as P, means start point. Now, how much distance it will travel, Amma? How much distance it will travel to complete one revolution? Any idea?
Sir, 2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very good answer. Why you are panic? 2 pi r. R. Can I write it pi d?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why not, Amma? 2r is equal to d. 2r is equal to d. So you can write in this way or this way. Everything will remain same. Okay. So multiply. Pi into d is 50. Tell me what is the value you are getting? Value.
157.
Please, after decimal point, how much? You won't get exact value. How much?
0.1428.
1,4. Enough. 2 decimal point. So 157.14 means value is in decimal. Now, I cannot measure 1,4. So I know when you went to petrol pump, I told that you cannot get 100 rupees petrol. Then you have to take 99 rupees, 150, 57. I will take round off because that 1,4, the instrument which we are using, does not permit us to measure. Kanpadtunda 150, 55, 56, 57 I marked from this point. So I will write, if that is the P point, it is a Q. Means revolution is 157. Then mark that values. It is how much? 157. Now draw very neatly. Pi d. Right. Pi d is equal to 157.14. Right? Same value. But we not taken 157 because I cannot measure 1,4. So I made it round off. How we will write round off, Amma? Can anyone tell me? We can write like this. Kanpadtunda? Kanpadtunda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Approximately 157 Rayali. This is the way of writing. But while writing this value, we will write same. Okay, we will write same 157. Okay. How many parts I have to divide, Amma? How many parts?
12.
How many?
12 plus.
How many parts I have to divide PQ?
12, sir.
12,
12.
sir.
Tell loudly. Why you are hesitant? 157 by 12. Please tell me what is the value?
Thirteen 13.08.
Yeah, 13.08 mm. Again, problem with decimal. Okay, so I cannot measure.
अपडेट करून करून बता रहे थे जैन
What happened?
भाई
6 to
फिर करना क्या आज का
this particular can't be modified
6240. Mahindra
ये
Rathod.
ऐप पे डिलीट कर दूँ
6240.
sir
What happened, Amma? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
nothing sir
Mute check. Mute check. Common factor, Amma. What you are thinking, we know who is doing things. We can check everything. Don't do such things, Amma. I won't like that. And don't waste my time or again giving big lecture under that banner. Otherwise, I am unable to finish the problem. Be concentrate. If you are not interested, please leave. Now, PQ has to be divided into 12 parts, but I am getting decimal value. I know there are two methods. One is called actual method. Another is called approximate method or trial and error method. So now value is in trial. Every time I cannot do round off. Now I don't want to do round off. Only first one value I made round off. Now what I will use? I will use my same method, acute. Divide a line into. Now you see. I will take protractor. I will measure 30. So many students here, they will do mistake, Amma. Take protractor, take P as a center, keep parallel to this, then measure 10, 20, 30. 30 is also acute. I measured only 30. See, 10. Any doubts? Shall I go further? Right. Now, take scale 30 from baseline. Now, how many parts I want to divide? 12. How many? 12. So I will take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Only 60. 12 5 is 60. Some student will take 10 mm. Don't take, comma. It will take more space. It should be as compact as possible. Always we are talking about clear as well as compact. So take 12. So this is the line. First I marked the point as per my requirement, 12 points. Each point is having 5 mm. You say this as a 12th point. Join that 12th point with, now you see my scale is not able to do. I will use big scale. Your all instruments should be ready. So now I will join this point with this. Any doubts? I got triangle. Now, what method I will use? Parallel method. From this point, I will draw parallel to this 12th line. 12th line I already drawn. Parallel to that, you see, I will draw this. These two are parallel. Again, passing through next point. Parallel. Parallel means equidistance. Already I studied. Two lines are equidistant from each other is called parallel. Means obviously the above PQ line I am dividing in parallel segment, means equidistance. So due to this, I am able to draw. All lines are parallel to each other. And draw as light as possible. See, I drawn all the lines parallel to each other. Next, mark wherever it touched 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and this is 12 dash. So these are the 12 divisions equally. E triangle compulsory kanpadalamma. If this triangle is not there, if your value is in decimal, sir, na 13 తీసుకోండాను, we won't give marks. Be careful regarding that, because we have alternate method where once we have decimal value, we have to use this method. So I taken that method. Next. Any doubts, Amma, up to here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, right. Take C as S. Can I mark this circle C, center point as C? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then draw parallel to PQ line. Draw parallel to which line? PQ line.
PQ.
Yeah. PQ is a base. Parallel to PQ line. Right. This is parallel to PQ. Okay, I draw. If this is the C, this is D. This is important line, Amma. CD line. Which line? In this figure, CD line will play very important role. That is the center of the rolling object. Now, but here there are two things. CD line and 3-9 lines are what is the relation between CD line and 3-9 line?
Parallel.
No,
Coincide, sir.
coinciding, overlapping. Okay. When I am talking CD, I will only talk CD. When I am talking 3-9, I will means two lines are overlapping each other, one above the other. Okay, no problem. Nothing right. When we want to talk about CD, we will talk. But when we are discussing about 9-3, then we will discuss 9-3. Now I am targeting CD. Now, from this line, draw perpendicular lines. From 11, 10, all lines perpendicular to baseline. Perpendicular to baseline. Draw them. No. I divided, name it C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and D is a C12 point. I named them wherever it is touching CD line. It is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 up to C12. Any doubts? Shall I proceed? I am going slowly. Yes,
Yes, sir.
right. Listen carefully. After this, from one point of this circle, which point? One point of this circle. This is one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One point of this circle. Draw parallel line to baseline. Draw parallel to baseline. From here, draw parallel to baseline, PQ line. Similarly, from 2 and 1 and 11 are in same. Why? Why 1 and 11 are same, Amma? Any idea? It is 30° towards right, it is 30° towards left. So that's why both are same. 2 and 10, same. Why? It is 60° towards right and that is 60° towards left. That's why it is same. Now 2, 3. Now 3. No need to draw because already CD line overlapping. So already it is 3 is there. Okay. Go for 4. That's why I told CD and 3, 9. It may overlap. But when 4 and 8, same. 5 and 7, same. 5 and 7, same. Parallel to PQ. And 6 is separate entity. Draw 6. This is 6. So I drawn all the lines parallel to PQ, passing through circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. After this, listen carefully. Take compass. CP as a radius. This is C. This is P. Anpadtunda. In
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
cycloidal, yes, radius is fixed. Center is variable, Amma. In earlier method, in thing, 1 dash as radius fs center, 2 dash as radius fs center, means their radius is variable, center is fixed. But in cycloidal curve, radius is fixed. CP, C as a center point, CP as a radius, cut P. Already P is there. No need to cut. 1. Cut one line. So many students will ask, sir, you are cutting towards this, one is here. Yes, Amma, nearest to P cut cheyali. You have to cut nearest to P. Next, C2, cut 2 line. C3, third line. CD line is also same. Third line is also same. C4, fourth line. C5, fifth line. C6, obviously radius. C6, obviously radius. C7, cut 7 line. C8, cut 8 line. C9, 9th line. C10, 10th line. C11, 11th line. C12, 12th line. So like this, you have to cut all the corresponding points. And one more thing, Amma, నాదే కొంచెం తేడా వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ తక్కువ అయిపోయింది. Actually, while putting that scale, so it has to be equal, almost all equal కనపడాలి. You just observe. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది, తక్కువ 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 కొంచెం స్లైడ్ వచ్చింది. But when you are drawing, all should be almost all equi. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫస్ట్ లైనే నాకు కొంచెం తేడా వచ్చింది. So this gap is not same. So that's why carefully do it. After this, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, and this is P12. Carefully mark all the corresponding points. So that's why koncham na sliding vachestundi koncham. Otherwise you will get very smooth curve if these are equally divided. If I taken care during that time only, so it may be, but later after completion of this I have noticed. Now from P, join smoothly P to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4, P4 to P5, P5 to P6, P6 to P7, P7 to P8, P8 to P9, P9 to P10, P10 to P11 and P12. So this is the nature of curve. Once you drawn very smooth curve, dark it, because that is the object we want to draw. This is PQ. This is the nature of curve, Amma. When one circular object rolls down horizontal plane. Now tell me, what is the relation between P1 dash and P1? Can anyone tell me? What is the relation between P1 on the circle and P1 dash on the horizontal plane? Any relation, Amma?
Sir, same.
Ledu. It has some relation. P1 is degree, 30 degree, P and 1. P1 dash is Durkinda.
Tangent.
Yes, Amma.
Tangent.
No. Yes.
Angle.
P1 is an angular distance. P1 dash is a linear distance. Always remember this funda. We converted angular distance into linear distance because horizontal plane is linear. This is angular. That's why pi d circumference we taken into consideration. Radians. You heard the name of radians, na? Vinara leda? Degree, radians. Yes, sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
జాగ్రత్తం అమ్మ ఇది జాగ్రత్తం చూసుకోవాలి because sometimes they will ask what is the relation. Yes sir, this is in terms of degree we converted into radians, that is by using pi d or circumference. You can use word circumference, that itself is enough, multiplied with pi. So that is the methodology you have to remember. Any doubts amma in this curve?
Sir,
Yes amma.
sir, show once how to draw that curves with compass, sir.
ఏం కంపాస్ లేదమ్మా, ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ స్కెచ్, నో కంపాస్.
No, sir, no, sir. That P with the CP as distance, you took some.
You see, I will take this CP as a radius. కనపడుతుందా? Yes, visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now C1 as a center. This because it has to be visible. C1 as a center, cut one line. కనపడుతుందా? This 1 and 11 is a one line, overlapping line, no problem. Right. Shall I move next? C2, same radius. C2. C3, same radius. I am not changing radius, I am only changing centers. C3. C4, fourth line. C5, fifth line. You see, this is the fifth line. C6 similarly goes on because 5, 7 overlapping, 4, 8 overlapping, same on other side. All points 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 moves on increasing. Shall I finish tangent and normal? What I am talking? First I will finish tangent and normal, then I will give 2-3 minutes time to note down. Okay? Any response, Amma?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
What is the given, Amma? What is the given thing? He told that how much it is given? Tangent normal. Hey, from your notebook only I dictated.
35 mm.
35 mm.
From 35 mm from
Base.
Inclined.
baseline. Adu important. This is the reference baseline. What is the baseline? PQ is a baseline. Okay. I will measure 35. Jagratam chudandi. 10, 20, 30, 35. I measured 35. Then parallel to baseline. Once I drawn parallel to baseline, then only I will get 35. This value is 35. As per given condition, I measured 35 from base and drawn. It is cutting the curve. If you extend, it will cut the curve on other side. Always in conic section and everywhere, two probabilities of tangent normal. So point may cut here also at 35 here, but I will prefer this point. I will mark as M. Any doubt? The point which is 35 mm from base, which is cutting, I marked M. Take CP as a radius. Important is CP as radius. M as center. Cut CD line. That's why I told CD line is very important. Cut CD line. Join. This you can say R25. How much I taken? Radius 25 from M, but cutting CD line. I may say yes. Some name I have to give. From S, draw perpendicular up to baseline. It cuts up to base. Name that as X. Join X and M. It acts as a
Tangent, sir.
no normal. In conic section, first we are getting tangent and perpendicular to that we are drawing normal. But in cycloidal curve, first we will get normal. Perpendicular to normal. I kept 4 line. Passing through M. This is tangent. Simple method, but procedure T dash relation is perpendicular. Finished. Here he given this M point 35 mm from base. So that's why we measured 35 mm. We marked the point. We taken M, then M as a center, CP as a radius, cut CD line. Once you cut CD line, you may write R25, radius we taken 25 because given object is 25 rolling object. From that point, draw perpendicular. Because this is parallel to these all lines. And wherever it cut baseline, join that baseline with M, it acts as a normal. Perpendicular to normal is tangent. Any doubts? I will take attendance for a while. Now, see, now if you want to note down, you can note down until session ends. No problem. Another 2-3 minutes time is there. Note down neatly. Those who want to ask question, you can ask. Both platforms are open. Neatly chalama. Neatness will have enough weightage.
Sir, we have to take circle dimension 50 mm.
No ma, 50 mm dia. Radius 25. Circle always drawn by radius. He told 50 dia. then convert that dia into radius sum. Circle ఎప్పుడు
25.
radius నుంచి draw చేశారనా, not dia. Dia is a complete length. Any other queries? The triangle must and draw neatly. Your figures will be better than me. Next time I will try. Because small errors, if you observe, ఇది ఏమైపోతుంది, కొంచెం కర్వ్ ఆ సైడ్ బ్లెండ్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ స్ట్రైట్ అనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇఫ్ దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, then obviously it will also shift, it will also move little bit that side. Because anyhow we have restriction, we don't have proper instruments, so that's why we are, but 99% figure is correct, no need to worry. But it need lot of patience, calm, do it neatly, and try to use minimum eraser. Follow the steps. Steps are very much important.
So one still tangents and normal, sir.
Okay, what we have to do as per given condition, 35 mm from base. I drawn one base 35. If I draw parallel line, it means it is 35 mm, because parallel means equidistance. But condition is that I will goes on extending until it cuts curve. So still I extended, you see that goes on extend means there are two probabilities of tangent and normal, but I taken one probability. So the point where it cuts 35 mm marked M. After marking M, you have to measure CP radius. How much? Circle rolling object is 25. So from M, cut CD line, Jagratam, every time telling CD line. So CD line, I cut. Then I marked R25. I marked, named something, yes. Then perpendicular to that, perpendicular to baseline, from S I drawn. When I am drawn perpendicular, it is cutting baseline, PQ line. I marked that as X. Joint X and M, it acts as a normal. Perpendicular to normal is tangent.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. I have another 1 minute, so that's why I'm not disturbing you people. Those who want to ask question, you can ask. Again, you people has to rejoin, so that's why I'm waiting for that.